Hi, I'm Stella and I'm teaching you how to make an origami airplane that flies very far. See this? You see this? So, to fly, just hold something like this, and whee! So, the camera didn't see it because it's zoomed. So, now, let's make the airplane. All you just need is one paper. What you have to do is to fold it in half. Then open it up. Take this flap and fold it again. Also take the other flap and fold it. Make sure it's folded something like this. Here. All you have to do is take this again and fold it. Something like this. Fold it something like this. Here. See. What you're going to do is take this flap again and fold it here. Then do the same step on the other flap. You'll see this arrow. Then take these and fold it in half. Then turn it and fold it in half again. Then you'll see this. Let's take these. And let's do this in the other side. Here. So here's the airplane. And here's my baby brother. So let's fly this. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. If you're confused with my videos, just go to Facebook. I have my Facebook page. Facebook.com/I just love origami. And don't forget to subscribe, comment, or like. Bye.